The working principle of a variable frequency drive, VFD, explained. A variable frequency drive, VFD, controls the speed of an electric motor by adjusting the frequency and voltage of the power supplied to it. Essentially, a VFD converts fixed AC power into variable AC power, allowing for precise motor speed control and improved energy efficiency. Here is a breakdown of the working principle. 1. Rectification. The VFD first converts the incoming AC power into DC power using a rectifier. 2. DC bus. The DC power is then smoothed and temporarily stored in a DC bus, often using capacitors, to create a stable DC voltage. 3. Inversion. The DC power is then converted back into AC power by an inverter. This AC power, however, has a variable frequency and voltage, unlike the input AC power. 4. Frequency control. The inverter controls the frequency of the output AC power, which directly affects the speed of the motor. By adjusting the frequency, the VFD can precisely control the motor's speed. 5. Microcontroller unit, MCU. Modern VFDs incorporate an MCU to manage the entire process. The MCU receives system inputs, processes them, and adjusts the motor frequency for optimal performance and energy efficiency. In simpler terms, imagine a water faucet. A regular faucet provides a fixed flow of water. A VFD, like a complex valve, can adjust the flow, motor speed, by controlling the pressure, frequency and voltage of the water, power, coming from the source, power supply. Key benefits of using a VFD. Times energy efficiency. By matching motor speed to load requirements, VFDs can significantly reduce energy consumption. Times precise speed control. VFDs allow for fine-tuning of motor speed, which is crucial for many industrial applications. Times soft starting-stopping. VFDs can gradually increase or decrease motor speed, reducing mechanical stress on the motor and equipment. Times improved process control. VFDs enable better control over various industrial processes that rely on motor speed, such as pumping, ventilation, and material handling.